Hey, welcome to the Creative Page. So this tutorial is all about editing cards and invitations that you purchase from Etsy. So like if you order a digital download that's a PDF, you edit it in order to print it or use it as a digital card or Evite. Okay, let's get started. So first you're going to download your file after you've purchased it. Now you can either access these downloads from your Etsy account right here, or you'll also get an email after purchasing and you can access it from your email as well. Now, if you purchased it from me, you'll get a downloadable PDF file and it will look something like this, and it's going to have some links and some instructions on it. You're going to want to click the first link, and that's going to give you access to a PDF copy of the invitation, and it's going to be in Google Drive. So if you're wanting to edit the invitation or the card in a PDF editor, say like Adobe Acrobat, then you can take this copy of the PDF and you can download it and you can open it in that PDF editor program, a little bit like this. And then from there, you can edit the invitation. And you can export it and use the invitation however you're planning to use it. Your next option is to click on the second link, which will open the invitation design directly in Canva. Now, this is going to be my choice because you're going to have the most flexibility when it comes to editing, changing fonts, and it's meant to edit invitations and things like this. So when you open the design in Canva, you don't actually need a Canva account to open it. You are, however, going to need an account when you get ready to download and save your edited version. So just keep that in mind. Open it and you do not have a Canva account. You're going to want to sign up. I recommend signing up with Google or Apple or whatever you want to use just to make it easy. But that's how you're going to be able to download your design once you've edited it. Once you've actually edited your design and your invitation, you're going to want to download it as a JPEG or a PNG. You're going to go to Share, Download, and then you can either choose PNG or JPEG. Now, because that way, when you go to upload it onto a different site, say you're going to use like Shutterfly, and I'm going to show something like that in a minute, they're going to ask you for an image. To have your final invitation, you can decide how you want to use it. The great thing about these is that you can use it as a digital invite and upload it onto Evite, which is what I'm showing right here. You just do the create your own, and then you're going to log into your Evite, do the create or design your own, and then when it asks you to upload your image or your file, then you're going to upload the JPEG that you just downloaded or shared with yourself from your Canva. And then you can actually send an Evite using this design. You can also send it as a text message So next I'm going to show you how you can upload your design onto a site where you can print cards or invitations. I have a couple favorites. I'm going to show you here just one or two of them. They're all the same though. They all have the same basic design tools. They all have pretty much the option to upload your own design. This card specifically is a portrait 5x7, so you're going to go into whatever website you're wanting to use, and you're going to find the create your own or design your own, and wherever it says personalize, you're going to click that and choose anything you need to, like the type of card, paper, border, anything like that. And then when it asks you to add the photo, again, that's when you're going to upload the file that you downloaded. And again, just showing another option here. This one's Shutterfly. I know that's a really popular one, so just thought I'd show how they have the same option where you can upload your design. And once again, you just click personalize and then upload your design, and it will give you the exact same thing where you've got your invitation ready to go and you send it off to the printer. So that is how you purchase, download, edit, and utilize a invitation or card that you have purchased from my Etsy shop. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and down in the comments you'll also find a coupon code just for my YouTube subscribers and those of you that have watched this video to use on something else the next time you buy something from my shop. So again, you'll find that below in the comments. Thank you so much for your support, and thanks for shopping with the Creative Paige.